A customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool to retrieve the stored fault code. The scan tool displayed code P0442, which indicates a small leak detected in the evaporative emission EVAP system. This system is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere, and even a small leak can trigger this code and affect the vehicle's emissions compliance. My first step was to perform a visual inspection of the EVAP system, including its hoses, connectors, and components, to check for any obvious damage, cracks, or loose fittings. However, I didn't find any visible faults, so I moved on to more advanced testing. Using the scan tool, I commanded the EVAP system to seal. This step ensures that the system is closed off and ready for leak testing. Next, I connected a smoke machine to the EVAP system's service port and induced smoke into the system. Smoke testing is a reliable way to locate leaks that may not be visible during a standard inspection. As I inspected the system, I observed smoke leaking from the area around the gas cap. This indicated that the cap was not sealing the system properly. To confirm the issue, I removed the gas cap and used a gas cap tester to apply pressure to it. A properly functioning gas cap should retain the applied pressure, but this one failed to do so, confirming that it was faulty. A faulty gas cap can cause a small leak in the EVAP system, which the vehicle's onboard diagnostics detect, triggering the check engine light. To fix the issue, I replaced the gas cap with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes from the system using the scan tool and performed a road test to ensure everything was working correctly. The vehicle operated normally, the check engine light remained off, and no new fault codes were detected. This repair highlights the importance of thoroughly testing all components of the EVAP system, even something as seemingly simple as a gas cap. While a gas cap may seem minor, it plays a critical role in maintaining the system's integrity and ensuring the vehicle operates efficiently and within emission standards.